Yes, viewers, hello, how are you doing? It's me again, and I welcome you to Elimu TV, which is your station where you watch and learn. We are getting introduced to physics from 1, and our lesson today we are looking at basically what is physics, that is introduction to physics, branches of physics, and other related concepts that we learned in our previous level in education. Please stay tuned. So, what are the goals of this lesson? By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to do the following: define physics as a branch of science. You'll also be able to identify physics topics learned in primary level and state and explain the main branches of physics. So, introduction to physics. As a branch of science, science is a wide field. So physics basically concentrates on matter and its relation to energy. And therefore, there is need for us to understand the following two terms: what is energy and what is matter. Energy has been defined as the ability to do work. Remember, this ability cannot be created nor destroyed. It's only converted from one form to another. And what about matter? Anything. That is, anything that occupies space and has mass. So, physics, of course, looks at everything because it's matter and its relation to energy. So, in primary school, there are some concepts concerning physics that we went through. One, we talked about machines. What is a machine? An apparatus, an instrument that is used to make work easier. Some of these machines we have used them, and from the diagram that we have on our screen, we have a lever, a wedge, an inclined plane, and we have the application one at a time. We also have wheel and axle. We also have a screw. We have also pulleys, and they have been widely employed by us in our day-to-day life activity. In primary school, remember, we also talked about pollution. We also talked about drugs, and all these substances are related to physics. So, since physics is a very wide topic, it has been put into various branches. Number one, the branches are 6. So firstly, we look at physics, wave, which is branch number 1. Waves, transmission of disturbance. And we have different types of waves. They may range from sound wave, water wave, and they are put into two main categories. Either it's mechanical wave or electromagnetic wave. Then, what other branch of physics do we have? We have atomic physics. Atom, the smallest particle of matter. And atomic physics basically looks at the energy changes within the nucleus of an atom, and this may due to nuclear decay or radioactivity, which may result to production of other particles and energy. We also have mechanics, the study of bodies under the influence of force. When our vehicles don't move, we take them to a mechanic to ensure that they are back in motion. We also have aeronautical engineering. They also look at study of these bodies under the influence of force. We also have light, geometric optics, the study of light and its properties. These properties may be refraction, refraction, diffraction, and they have been employed widely in our day-to-day life activity. We also have magnetism and electricity, the study of the relationship between magnet, that is a magnetic field, and a current, that is electric current. How are they produced? You remember that whenever we have a current carrying conductor, we have an associated magnetic field. And for us to produce electricity, we require a magnet through mutual induction. So these two things are not separable. Magnetism and electricity leading us to production of electric current. We also have thermodynamics. Thermo means heat. So basically this branch of physics deals with the relationship between heat and other forms of energy. from the diagram we have here, it can explain much why some of the areas in our country which are hot, the rooms are painted white. This is to enable diffraction of heat from the sun, that is radiation. We also have the operation of some appliances like the refrigerator, the solar panel, the satellites. In biology, they are also applied, that is, there is a relationship there. So thermodynamics deals with the relationship between heat and other forms of energy. So did we get the concept of today's lesson? Yes. Let's answer the following question. What is physics as a branch of science? What are some of the concepts that we learned in previous level of learning, and can we state and explain the main branches of physics? For more of this lesson, or for more of this information, you can refer to the following book, Secondary Physics Student Book 1, and you can as well as contact us through our SMS. You can send us an SMS, you can reach us on Facebook, and also you can reach us on YouTube, as well as you can tweet us at ElimuTV _KE. Please stay tuned for the lessons that follow. Thank you.